What's up, everyone? So right now I am rushing out to help one of my friends get unstuck. He is currently at the off-road area that I've been in multiple times in the truck, but he is in a different section that I've never even been before or even knew how to get to. And then we got the Tacoma to the rescue, so hopefully this is successful in getting him unstuck. I'm not sure. He said he was in some kind of sand and water, so I'm not sure how deep he is actually stuck. What's up, man?
What's up, dude?
Do you mind if I make a video on this?
Make a freaking video, dude. Yeah, so this is
this
not
one?
even the way that I came. Yeah, I just ran up this way.
Right, okay.
Yeah.
Have you talked to
these people? I talked to this dude.
Okay.
And he said he was trying to figure out who's got it locked up, so I'll go.
The gate there?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so it looks like that is a no-go. We need to find a new way to go. There's enough grip probably for this to be around you and not.
Oh yeah.
I don't think I would get stuck, or at least I hope I wouldn't. Well, the truck is definitely taller than all this crap here, but this is very, very tight.
This is like the roads that I was driving on.
Yeah.
4RUNNER.
Well, you are definitely way back in here.
Oh yeah, dude.
How long is it? What's the longest one?
Yep,
20 feet?
That was 30.
No, this one's 30.
30 is probably better, yeah.
Alright, towing straps are good. So you've got hooks or places that we can put them?
You have the trailer hitch with stuff next to it, yeah.
I guess that's true. Yeah, we got the hitch too, so that's even better.
Do you have a hook up front? If we have to pull you front?
Yeah, we have.
But we're going to be approaching it from the back.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so
Unless the back doesn't work.
Google Maps.
We need this light to turn around.
I am on Google Maps, aren't I?
It would be nice if there was a quicker way than the way we just ran, but
This is the quickest way.
is that an easier way?
Dang, that's like, so we were right next to the road where we got stuck, right?
We are.
Okay.
Yeah,
Dang, yeah, look at that.
Oh, wow. So that area that we just ran down was completely not even the right way. So this is a different road, right, than what we just turned down?
Yeah.
Okay. That was my one fear of being out there and getting stuck.
Yeah.
Without
This
having a
isn't even
winch.
Like we looked at this and we weren't even like, oh wow, like this is where we're gonna get stuck.
Yeah.
You guys on Bellicon?
Carver Mill.
Carver Mill. All right, so let me.
Oh, I thought I saw him. That's just an orange sign. Yeah. Road closed 2 miles ahead. Oh. So we can actually keep going.
Yeah, so hold on, because that actually might be it right there.
Yeah.
I see. Do you guys have HIDs?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, we're coming down.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Is it clear from where you're standing to get there?
I mean, yeah, you have the little off-road action.
All right, so this isn't too bad. Is it like this the whole way?
It kind of is. It gets a little technical, but nothing crazy.
How far are we going here?
I mean, if you ran the whole way, it's probably not.
I'll just run to this corner here. Can you see the truck from here? Which way are we going, left or right?
Right, dude, I'm like right there. You see me?
Down there?
Yeah, you see me down there?
No, I don't.
No, look, come here.
Oh yeah,
Top of it?
way down there?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, dude,
It's
go on.
like this. It gets a little narrow.
All right. All right.
You got it. It's a built trail.
Okay. Well, maybe you guys can just spot me a little bit
Yeah.
on some of the narrow stuff. Can you see me on that side? Am I good?
Yeah, just walk this side, right? I'll yell.
Yeah, that's a lot of thorns there.
Don't worry, it'll buff out.
Yeah. Well, I've never been down this side before.
Talk over the scraping.
Yeah.
Okay, how's it going, buddy?
We're gonna have to get some good.
Your engine's still running, so you know. Yeah.
Eesh.
I know a guy can polish it, actually.
Yeah. I might need it. Yeah, let's do that because that's a larger stick if you don't mind. How steep does it get past this?
It gets a little more.
All right. That's all I got. Let me see here. Because I might have to get up above that rock there. Yeah.
That way for sure.
Because I don't think the truck is narrow enough to make it through these two rocks.
Oh yeah, I'd say just go right up on the corner right there.
Yeah.
The
How
last person did it.
am I gonna make it to you?
That mud's not deep.
Did you
You
actually?
can go to the right of the mud.
Yeah, dude. That's,
Yeah.
We like came flying through there. Literally through there is where I came through that big hole to the right.
Yeah, we can
All right.
do we think going over that
Yeah, go to the right.
Up on that rock?
Yeah.
probably the outside of the tire right there.
Yep. Yeah. So stay right. Yeah, you're perfect.
How's that looking?
Yeah. No, you're killing it. Yeah. Keep.
Watch out for that rock. You're good. on
Yep.
this
You're
side.
good.
on
You're
that
good.
side?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
you're
You've
good on
got
this side.
plenty of room right now. Keep going straight. You're good. You're good. You're totally fine, dude.
We're good. Okay.
Yeah. You're making
You're
it.
good on this side.
Am I actually on that rock?
You are right now.
Okay.
Yeah, you're good.
Your whole tire's on it.
Cool. All right.
So you're clear.
I can't see my far passenger side there.
Okay, you're solid. You ain't got nothing. Anything.
Oh yeah, yeah, you're solid. All right.
Right in the mud.
Is it 4-wheel drive? I took it out.
Yeah, definitely leave it in.
Yeah, you're gonna want 4-wheel drive.
There's no way to turn around down there, is there?
No, I'll just back out.
So
over there.
the chassis is on the sand right now.
Yeah.
It's that deep. Are you in 4 low?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're just gonna have to.
You're gonna want to stay
Yeah.
not in the sand. Oh, that's what it is.
So kind of like right here.
Here, dude.
Yeah.
Can you pull me this way?
All right.
Yeah.
That's probably our only option for right now.
Yeah, we have to go back a little bit.
Go back a little bit. You got both of them hooked up. So we need to take the slack out of the line, and then I'm just gonna go for it.
Yeah, Brian, can you shine
All right.
Are you ready? You good, Tanner? Yeah, he's good.
All right. So tell me when I'm picking up
You're
slack.
picking up right now. You're picking up slack.
Right there.
Yeah.
All right.
Are you good? Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. All right, that's good. Right there. Stop. What I'm talking about, man. Yeah. What I'm talking about. That's success.
All right.
So we're good.
Well, that's step one. That pulled.
the hardest freaking step, dude.
Dude, I didn't even feel you. I didn't even feel the weight.
I'm so hyped. Oh my gosh,
I'm actually surprised that worked. I'm not.
I didn't even feel the weight.
pulled me straight
Yeah,
out,
you didn't even
dude.
care. You just hit the gas and went.
Look at all this thick mud. They're not gonna be able to see it on camera. You have a flashlight?
Yeah, it's there.
But let's get you unhooked here, because I don't know if I'm stuck in the mud there.
Oh, we got you.
Look at how deep these ruts are. Look at that.
It even cares.
Holy crap. I'm just gonna stop there, but you're good to come forward. You're good. Okay, right about there.
Can't see.
Yeah, so sorry. I got all the lights on. All right, guys. The truck pulled the 4Runner out with ease. I did not even feel that weight. That is impressive. Through all that thick mud. Oh, he's definitely good. All right. You guys aren't gonna be able to see this. I hope my truck lights though are picking this up. Look at how deep. You guys won't be able to see that. So it's now the next day, you guys, and I decided to come back so that way I could show you what the truck had to go through pulling out this 4Runner. My tracks are still fresh in the mud here. Look at how deep. Hopefully you guys can see on camera how deep this puddle is. This is my track right here. So I was driving through about 6 inches of mud there. And again, my Ridge Grapplers didn't have any issue. I did not air down. That may have made a difference. But even though they are hybrid tires that are not made for the mud, I was easily able to get through this with a 4,000-pound 4Runner. So I had both tires in the mud. The goal was to stay as far left as possible, but just with the angle of towing him out. And then you can actually see his marks coming out of the sand here. This is where I pulled him out. While this looks like it would be an easy crossing, you can see how the water is only like an inch, not even 2 or 3 inches, but it's the sand that he got stuck in. Look at how easily I can push that stick down into the sand. So his truck was actually sinking. Both of the tracks coming out through this sand, go kind of like being on the beach. So yeah, if you can watch that rock for me.
That's not a problem.
Now get right. Get up. Nice.
This way. Yeah. It'll be a little difficult.
Right. There you go. You got it. You're good. You're golden.
Perfect. That's exactly what you're looking for. That's exactly what you want.
You guys won't be able to see me, but Tacoma to the rescue.
I freaking owe you, man. Oh my gosh. You want to see the places that we went? He's been videoing the whole thing.
Oh yeah?
You want to see like
Kind of.
Let's take a look.
This place, dude, I literally was like vertical.
This is where we thought you would have to go.
To get to you?
Oh yeah. I mean, that was a steep drop off. I think it almost flipped. I don't know.
Look at that. I was literally straight down,
Jeez.
dude.
I had no idea that there was this
It was
this area.
It
There
gets
were some
technical if you
quads.
want it to. It'll get technical.
yeah.
There were
Yeah.
some 4-wheelers that just showed up in that area, and I was
Really?
just following them. They're like, dude, you can't do that. And I was like, and so we ended up doing it.
No, you're this one's bent from a previous
Yeah.
thing.
When
Yeah.
you took off, I
Dang.
was watching and
Yeah.
you were gone. I was
Yeah.
like, oh, I hope it's good.
Well, I
Once
should
you got the initial.
I should replace this with a tow hook.
I mean, hey, you know
'Cause
what?
That'd be easier to do. All right, guys, so that is it for the Tacoma coming to the rescue, getting the 4Runner out of that mud. I didn't even feel the weight of that 4Runner going through that mud, and hopefully you guys were able to see just how thick that mud puddle was. I was spinning like crazy. Hopefully you can hear the mud kicking up because it was some pretty deep mud, and it's flying everywhere right now. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. The Tacoma had 0 issues. I was in 4 with the rear locker, but I pulled him out just like we were on flat ground. So Tacoma to the rescue, awesome off-road and an awesome recovery vehicle. If you guys enjoyed that video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button. I'll see you guys next video.